From the hilltops to the shore, truth keep echoing once more. Every river, every storm, remind us we're not alone. Through the darkness, voices ring, calling everyone to sing. Young man tired from city fight, searching peace most every night. Babylon keep pulling chains, filling hearts with stress and pains. Then he hear the old hymn flow from a chapel down below. Suddenly his soul revived, feel like he was born alive. Mama kneeling by the bed, praying, children safely fed. Like Elijah in despair, just still answer humble prayer. Ravens fed the prophet dead, so he cared for poor men, every promise standing true. Yesterday and now anew, thunder rolling across the land, still the people firmly stand. Candles glowing through the night, tiny flames but shining bright. When the world forget the weak, just still hear the poor man speak. From the mountain to the sea, truth remain eternally. Hearts once broken, now restored, finding shelter in the Lord. Every echo through the air carry hope for those in fear. The hills still carry his voice, calling weary souls rejoice. Every road can lead to peace when hatred finally cease. From the valleys to the streams, love revive forgotten dreams. Through all sorrow, through all strife, faith still breathe eternal life. The hills still carry his voice, telling nations, make the choice. Walk in mercy, walk in grace. Let compassion fill the place. Though the storms may shake the land, just still guide with steady hand.